event on the backstage.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on that link. If you are not, thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I did this purple looking, I know, I just wanted to play with some colors and I like the way it came out, so yeah, just stay tuned and see how I got this look. Oh, by the way, I'm filming right now with my phone. My camera actually died, guys, so jumping into my brows, I'm using the brow pomade from Annestesia Beverly Hills. I'm just filling in my brows until I'm satisfied with the way they look. Next, I'm gonna clean up my brows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in FAWN, and just to make my brows look better, I guess, just to clean everything up. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base. I'm just gonna spread that around just to give it a smoother finish. Using one of my favorite palettes, the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, I'm gonna use that sort of red color as my transition shade, spreading that all over my eyelids right up close to my brow bone.
I know they misbehave for days, but I'll soon get better. I got a lot to prove, sometimes they call you Auntie Brenda. No been a team to joke, baby, your love
Going in with my first shade of purple, it's sort of the lighter shade. I'm adding that at the outer corner of my eyes and my inner tear duct, and I'm gonna blend that through and just, you know, build up the colors as we go on.
Je suis jaloux par ma faute, Caro. Et même quand je te suis pas trop, par ma faute, Caro. Je suis jaloux par ma faute, Caro. I love you, par ma faute, Caro. Je suis jaloux par ma faute, Caro. Et même quand je te...
So using different shades of purple, I'm just gonna work my way through it and add up as I go, but I'm making the look darker, as you can see, and I am going to be using this grayish color to put that at the middle part where I didn't blend my eyeshadows to. The eye look is complete. I use lashes for my lash line. It's gonna be dropping later on this year, guys, so stay tuned for it. Concealing with the orange concealer, I use the Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo foundation, I believe. I really don't know the shade, but I'm gonna link everything down in the description box below. My brush, it's from BH Cosmetics as well, and that Random Beauty Supply sponge. Using the same LA Girl Pro in FAWN just to highlight some few areas underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead.
Let's go.
Yeah. It's Davido, Stanley, yeah. How many girls I know? So many them I know wanna take control. How many girls you know? Just wanna see you grow. Say my name. How many girls I know? So many them I know wanna take control. How many girls you know? Just wanna see you grow. Every day, every night she be singing on me.
To set my highlighted areas, I used the Benai setting powder. I believe it's in banana. Contouring, I'm using the NYX foundation powder in deep. As y'all know, I do not like to use liquid foundation to contour. It's just my thing, guys. So I think my mascara is from CoverGirl, but I'll double check and link that in the description box below. What I use to line up my waterline, pardon me, It's from NYX, the jumbo pencils in white, the white crayon ones. My lip wear is from NYX as well. I would link the exact name down in the description box. So that completes the look, guys. Oh wait, I need to take out that bonnet. But yeah, thank you for staying through the whole tutorial. Any questions, anything, just leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.